Yes. So how many of you expected this when you saw the original title screen of the silly pony jumping around in a field? Probably not too many of you, I would guess. A meadow game? Because quite literally, it was a meadow game. Go watch those brimstones, there we go. Wrecked another wizard. This feels a little bit like, and I don't mean this derisively or anything, but it feels a little bit like the type of game that someone really imaginative could make up inside of something like Little Big Planet. Also, if I get hit once, I reset back to the beginning of this level. There we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, I kind of screwed that. That was a very awkward position that they put me in there. I guess I've got to figure out my way around that jump more carefully. That was actually a dexterity issue, not mishandling of resources or something like that. I like having wings. I think it does a lot better for my character to be able to glide. Makes this interaction a little bit more enjoyable. I like the sparse colors. I mean, I'm not super into, like, the RGB separation thing that seems to be going around so much, but I think it works well for this. Concept-wise, I think the idea is backed up graphically. Okay, there we go. Just little hovers. Flagpole. Oh, we got a portal. What are we going to program this time? We've got variables. We've got incrementing of those variables. We're unlocking a square. Okay, there's also a secondary portal here. Oh, this is just the way out. So we want to do that. We want to put that there. I guess. Wait, that's going to send it as variable under 0. Do I want to increment the variable down and then teleport? Is that where we're at? Oh, okay. I actually solved that by accident. I wasn't even ready. I thought I was going to have to do another step. Ooh, Blood Mist Pass. That's a good place for a pony to hang out. You think this game is remarkably realistic toward the life of ponies? I actually see what you mean. I imagine a lot of this stuff is very immersive in that way. Very peculiar that completely, as a matter of just happenstance, when we were in the NLSS earlier... Oh god, I didn't even see that there. I just walked into the freaking stick. I just happened to ask the question about, like, what if you could put an Oculus Rift onto a horse? Would it know that it's in another dimension? Would it think that it's even in an augmented reality situation, or is the horse just going to accept whatever reality is put in front of it? It sounds at face value like a ridiculous concept, but it is kind of an interesting, little prod at what is understanding what is reality, how easily is our perception tainted by things, right? It's just about having your perspective altered a little bit, and as a horse, you don't honestly have a lot of options with that kind of thing. And I guess I'm imagining that this could be the horse with the Oculus on its head right now. What did I just unlock, by the way? Round 2? I don't quite know why I went back into this. Hey, thank you very much, Squid5_ for the 10 months in a row. Welcome back. Thank you very much for your patronage. I'm glad to have you. And Sparkly Walrus 19 also went for the subscription, too, for 4 months. Much obliged. I really appreciate the help, guys. Okay, we're gonna make it through this, no problem. I think I just had to solve this one twice. This was a thing that happened earlier, where I had to actually solve the same area twice. I don't know why, sometimes I guess you do that. Yay. No? Oh, there's another box there. I just couldn't see it. And another. And another. And another. I would presume to think maybe perhaps yet another. Not seeing any dots appearing. What, out in the middle of the ocean or something? Got nothing. Just hide behind this tree for a bit. When I would mouse over them, they get a little bigger, but this one's not doing anything. Something's beeping very quietly. Maybe there's another path. Oh, up here, actually. There is another path. What, do I have to go back here and then up? Oh. That's peculiar. Why? Oh, I like this. We got these upside down cross cacti. Ah, oh, that was a great shot. Oh, is this a stronger wizard? No, this is the same wizard as before, right? No, it's not. It's a stronger wizard. You know what's really interesting is the idea of classifying what type of game this might be, you know, genre-wise. Not that it necessarily matters very much, but I do kind of get into a little bit of that kind of thing. Finding little cubbies to put things in. I think we're all more comfortable doing that, even though it's not always necessary, right? But where do you put a game like this? I mean, obviously it's got a little bit of a platformer thing going on, but it's also got like a weird, mysterious, narrative-driven exposition angle. It's also a little bit weird for the sake of being weird. And it fits into probably about 5 or 6 other genres, too. Puzzle game, simulation game. I think probably puzzle is the closest. But I don't think it quite does it justice to just call it a puzzle game, either. Ah, careful. Lucky jump there. Out of juice. Oh, that probably won't work. I can't glide that well, I'm a pony! Okay, whoa, I just made it. Okay, this is working. Whee! Ooh, the Cave of Truths. I've always wanted to get involved with those. You've done well to find this mere mortal. Find me mortal? Find my immortal? Enter back to leave this. Or, I may show you a vision. Yeah, I'll take the vision? A glimpse. Ooh. Is it the next sandbox survival game on early access in Steam? Now you may ask one of 3 questions. Who was I who killed me, or where did I die? So, you guys, which one should I pick? I believe I did Who Killed Me so far, so... Who was I? Yeah, that seems to be the general consensus. Let's hear. Who was I? Your name was Theodore. You left behind a mother and daughter. Oh. You're getting involved with some kind of Soma craziness, huh? Back. Thank you for the glimpse into the Caves of Truths. Where shall I peruse now? We got a diverging path, right? Somewhere over here? Oh, the old Sin Desert, huh? The keeps approach? Yes, let's do this. Laser that wizard. I should have made my laser stronger, man. I should have made it like 69,000 levels instead of just 7. Could have had anything I wanted. Could have been an all-powerful pony demigod. sounds like you need to find your bro Alvin and record some music covers. I happened into... Oh, I freaking nudged the edge of that stupid stick. Completely by accident. Did it again. I happened into this ridiculous... I don't even know what kind of music genre you would call it. It was like... I'm gonna send you on a little audio-visual journey with this assertion here. It was as if Alvin and the Chipmunks were left out in the hot sun in your car's windshield dashboard area, and Alvin and the Chipmunks, as a concept, melted. It sounded like that. Like a warbly vinyl record of Alvin and the Chipmunks that went through the apocalypse. That was a band that I discovered. And they had a cover of my Sharona, and it made me kind of question what reality means anymore. Sorry, I missed the first bit there. Why don't you take a break? I insist. What are you, Nintendo these days? Would you like to quit the game? No, I won't. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. I'm gonna program my way around this little prompt, I guess. Sorry, I'm just taking a second here to see what I need to even be looking for right now. So X position under 0, set X position -3, Y position... Okay, I think the answer to this will take me away from this tile and move me somewhere else. But I don't know where I'm trying to increment. I'm just trying to make the X and Y position under 0. And then it will set position properly. Okay, so my X position is 3, my Y position is -3. I probably could just do this, and then it would probably sort itself out without me even really trying very hard, but you know, just let it do its thing for a second here. Is that going to reach an equilibrium, or is that just going to keep rotating through the same statistics, isn't it? Okay, it takes me a second here to look at what we're actually trying to accomplish. So let's set this up one higher. -2, 3. Now I'm sure this is set to go in a loop. So probably what I just need to do is use the teleport so it's in one position, then remove. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Yeah, we get a loop there. And I can set that as low as I want. And then we've got to get the Y position over 0, and Y position is down at the bottom, so we've got to take this here, set this here, and then we're gonna go, hang on, is there actually a way to do this without wrecking the other part? I don't know. Oh, that's just a hard set each time. Oh, bots. Okay, that actually just undid what little good I did just a second ago. So I need to get this here. Oh. Okay, that's how we leave. So I've got to keep moving it. Okay, that's not going to reset anything, though. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so we'll put this here. This is kind of fun. I like this. It's an odd type of puzzle, but I think it's kind of cool. Okay, then we go... Wait, what does it do after that? Oh, it just does that. So the solution's actually already self-evident. We just do that, and we solved. Yay! There we go. This is a cool game, isn't it? I haven't really seen anything exactly like this before. Seen a couple things slightly similar, but not quite as deep into the wildness as this. These are very rewarding puzzles. I like them. I told you to take a break. I need more time here. You're not ready for, excuse me, the boss fight. Let me just code up some more levels. Oops. Just a typo. Hold on. What is happening? Oh, this is the coding up, isn't it? Yes, more content. Bring me more. Create more ponies. Ah! Why? Why are there ponies? More friendly content. Yes. Hey, it's the beginning. And a portal. What are we doing here? Are we incrementing save data? That's kind of what it looks like we're doing. So we've got that there. This goes there. Move that across. Once that's across... Oh, actually, careful. Do one of those. Oh. Whoops. Okay, I screwed up. How do I... Oh, I've got to increment so the save data goes up higher more. That's why it didn't... It says, is the save data over 99? I just wasn't reading carefully. That's my bad. So we've got to send this across. Then loop here. Wait. That'll work. Nope. Not quite yet. Oh, butts. How about that? Oh, that's setting data to 0 every time. Okay, so we can't actually use that loop. There we go. Easy. Okay, the data is now over 99. It doesn't really matter how much over I put it. Let's get the key there. And teleport that there. And we just gotta shoot this over. We good. Fun! Build speed 10x. Oh, hello. You remind me a little bit of, like, a devil version of Teddy from Persona 4. He turned out to be a pretty good guy. Maybe you are too. I shouldn't judge. Trying to get me to slow down. Who do you think I am? Okay, what is our goal this time? We need to get data, A and B data, and C data. We need all three of these increments, these variables rather, to go over 99. So I've got A data here, B data there. There's also negative C data there. This one looks like it could be a little bit more complex. Especially because there's no break between... Oh, actually it doesn't matter. That's just gonna even out. Hang on, how do I make that? I'm a little confused here right now. We're gonna teleport that there. And Just watch this flow for a second. Okay, so wait, what's... Oh, okay, the top is setting all the data back each time, so we've got to not let it go through that. Once it's in there, that loop's got to get locked in. It's also reminding me a little bit of like a not overly difficult Space Chem, which I actually really liked Space Chem. I was just not smart enough to play that game. Okay, so A data is off the freaking hook. Now we've got to get B data to not be broken. The only way to flow that is to send it this away, so that way I'll teleport here. But first I need to have B data sorted. There we go. There we go, now we can send it back up through at the top. Oh, sorry. You need to calm down. There we go. Wait, I want it to be... there. No. Okay, now we've got to flow this through in a circle, let C data go nuts for a second. And then once C data is ready, then we switch out this arrow and that one over there. C data is ready. Switch that. Oh, well, do it that way too. I'm the best. It's not ready, don't look. I'm gonna look. You can't even stop me with land, sea, or air. I could fly over it all. What is this? Does that say Ticket Lake? I mean, there's a ticket in this lake, because I would like it. I'm collecting those, remember. I don't see any ticket. Am I, like, exploring a shadow right now? What is happening? There doesn't seem to be anything here. Ooh, upside down caves of truth. I think that's the bottom border of the world. This might not be the right place to be for me. As much as I'd love to. Not really sure where I'm going or what's happening right now, but I should probably get out of the inverted world if I can figure out how. There's like no detail up there, so I guess that's not how. Okay, we're back to some sort of pseudo-civilization. I feel like these little hints of color are directing me somehow, but I'm not quite sure how yet. Satan's Keep seemed to open. I will take that under advisement. Yeah, I think these little hints of color are probably what's sending me in a certain direction. So maybe I did need to come down this way? Oh man. I'm tempted to just wander, but, like, I know that's not going to be very fun for you to watch. Oh, what's that? Little bits of... Looks like blood falling out of there. Oh, there's the square! I walked right past it, my bad. You made it! The final level of adventure mode. I wanted to have more of a build-up, but you're here, so we might as well do this. Oh. Excuse me. The final boss is me, of course. If you lose, your soul is mine. I was already doing some damage a second ago. Great music. I've done it. Take this portal to the core file. Calling me a coward. Oh, we're gonna fight the Beezle boss. Oh, that's badass. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. Probably pay a little more attention to those projectiles, huh? Especially when I could almost definitely destroy them easily. Ah. I just gotta leave some charge left. Oh, geez, there's like more going on than I'm paying attention to. Oh, jumped into him. So we gotta watch out for these spikes, also ground pounds, and fist punches. Okay, I was really hoping that wouldn't just block it. Be a little frustrating if I couldn't see a thing trying to spike me because his fist is over it. I think we're getting somewhere this time. Oh. Get rid of that business. Oh no, I have no charge. Oh no! I think that means I start all the way over again. I'll get it, no worries. Should probably just stop not having any charge there. Oh, I'm forgetting to shoot him in the jaw, that's why I'm not probably getting anywhere at all. Yep, I'm cutting out these little bits of his head. Okay, I'll get it. I know what I'm doing now. I mean, I saw I was targeting those parts, but I wasn't sure if I was actually breaking them off or what. It was kind of like that giant spaceship level in R-Type, only with a demon. Alright, there goes the top. Oh no! Okay, I stopped him. Could happen in a sec. Oh no. It's a bit of multitasking, although this is not exactly any high-level caliber difficult compared to any of the runs I've been watching on AGDQ. You are a true warrior. Now click this shortcut. Let's take down this core. No. You are being led astray. Can't you see that destroying these files will prevent you from playing Pony Island? But destroying the files is the only way to advance the plot. What are you talking? Get ready! Oh, you got freaking brimstoned. Well, shoop-de-whooped, I guess. Am I supposed to be helping somehow? Oh, probably supposed to delete the file at this point. There we go. Security breach. Or file deleted. Fool, fool, fool. Sleep well. What?